Aloha, my name is Cedric Jonathan and I am Vegan the Explorer. I actually just became vegan recently in the start of year 2022. So it's been a few weeks since I've been fully vegan. And initially I was very intimidated because I predominantly lived a plant-based vegetarian lifestyle, but my main source of food, believe it or not, is cheese. And a lot of my friends know I ate cheese every single day. So that's why it was intimidating for me to transition into being fully vegan, because I didn't know if I could do it. But hey, you know what? I'm proud to say that it's been a few weeks already and I feel great being completely vegan. My body actually still is the same weight actually, which I'm very surprised with. So I thought I'd be a little more skinnier, but I'm still able to do the things that I've been doing. I live a very active lifestyle. I go to the gym, I hike, I do martial arts, I play sports, and it hasn't limited me to my physical capabilities of doing those things. It has, however, given me more energy, and I feel, vibrant every time I wake up in the morning. I've been consistently waking up every morning right around 6 o'clock and go about my day without having to struggle pouring a cup of coffee. And I would like to attribute that to being vegan. Now, I became vegan because I was inspired by my recent trip from Chile when I met up with someone who was vegan, and this person is now a good friend of mine. And it occurred to me that there are places all over the world that a plant-based or a vegan community does exist, but it occurred to me that maybe people don't even really know about, And I wanted to do this travel show to showcase that these communities do exist, and whether you are plant-based or whether you are vegan, you can still go about traveling to places like Japan or the Philippines or Chile or places in Europe, and you don't have to be intimidated by your lifestyle. I'm sure you will be able to find options out there for you to do. As well as those who do eat meat, I do not judge whatsoever. A lot of my friends eat meat. I still have family that eats meat, and I'm not one to force someone to live a lifestyle that they are not about. I'm not one to force someone to be someone they are not about. I am one, however, to be inspiring others, or to maybe share my experiences and to maybe even plant a seed in their head that, hey, you know what? If you want to try something different, maybe it's something that you maybe considered back in the day but was intimidated like I was. It's possible. It really is. And what better way to shoot my very first episode of Vegan the Explorer than here in beautiful Oahu, Hawaii, which I'm sure many of you didn't realize, but there's actually a prevalent plant-based community out here as well. And I'm very excited to share with you my journey. I already have it lined up of these spots that I'm going to visit to share with you this delicious food, as well as give back to the environment, because it all goes hand in hand. I'm going to be working with a nonprofit organization that helps with the community and sustainable living, as well as replanting and restoration of this beautiful island of Hawaii. And please come join me for the ride, and I hope you have fun as well. Aloha.
Oh, wow. That is full bread. I'm about it.
That's full carbs, right?